Every product needs a different packaging. And every day, customers worldwide want faster delivery of their orders. But how can manufacturers, distributors, and logistics service providers increase their productivity? Storopack. Together with you, we take the productivity of your packaging logistics to the next level. Only 25% of packaging costs are material-based. The other 75% are process-driven. Storopack helps you to analyze your current packaging process and to optimize it with tailor-made solutions from one source. No matter if you are modernizing an existing packaging area or planning a new one, we support you in making your packaging processes faster, more efficient, and reliable. No matter if you're a startup or a big seller, the perfect solution is always an individual solution, tailored to your products, process steps, and requirements. To optimize your packaging logistics, we draw from our working comfort and working automation offering. Our working comfort modules make manual work more ergonomic and efficient. This ensures a motivating, health-friendly working environment. With our working automation modules, we automate packing functions such as erecting, protecting, sealing, or reducing the volume of shipping cartons. All our modules are individually planned and manufactured for you. We look at your entire packaging process and evaluate where manual and where automated working is meaningful. Storopack is thereby your single contact, from planning to servicing. Productivity increase alongside your packaging logistics. Storopack.